Welcome to my channel. Have you ever heard of the law of assumption? It's a powerful concept that has the potential to completely transform your life. The law of assumption essentially states that whatever you assume to be true will eventually manifest in your reality. In other words, your beliefs and assumptions shape your experiences. Think about it. If you believe that you are destined for success, you will naturally start to take actions that align with that belief. On the other hand, if you assume that you are destined to fail, you may unknowingly sabotage yourself. This law is not about wishful thinking or positive affirmations. It's about truly embodying the reality you want to create. By shifting your assumptions and beliefs, you can literally change the course of your life. So, how can you start applying the law of assumption in your own life? Begin by examining your current beliefs and assumptions. Are they serving you or holding you back? Challenge and negative assumptions and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. Visualize yourself already living the reality you desire and watch as the universe start to align with your vision. Remember, the law of assumption is a powerful tool that can help you manifest the life of your dreams. Embrace it, embody it, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. Let's delve into more detail about the law of assumption as discussed by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard's teaching emphasizes the power of our assumptions or beliefs in creating our reality. Here are some key points regarding the law of assumptions. First, power of your imagination. Goddard believed that your imagination is the creative power that shapes your reality. By vividly imagining and feeling as if your desired outcome has already occurred, you impress upon the subconscious mind a new reality that will manifest in the physical world. Second, feeling is the secret. Central to the law of assumption is the idea that the feeling of the wish fulfilled if what brings it into reality. It's not just about visualizing or thinking about your desire, but actually feeling the emotions associated with having already achieved it. Third, persisting in the assumption. Goddard emphasized the importance of persisting in your desired assumptions even when faced with contradicting external circumstances. By holding on to the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you align yourself with the reality you wish to experience. Changing your self concept. The law of assumption also involves changing your self concept and beliefs about what is possible for you. By assuming a new identity or self image aligned with your desires, you open yourself up to new possibilities and experiences. Fifth, living from the end. Goddard often talked about living from the end, which means living as if your desired outcome has already been achieved. By embodying the feelings and behaviors of the person who has already achieved their goals, you draw that reality closer to you. Next, faith and trust. Faith in the power of your assumption is crucial. Trusting in the process and having faith that your desired outcome is on its way helps to reinforce your beliefs and attract the circumstances that will lead to its manifestation. Remember that while the law of assumption can be a powerful tool for personal growth and manifestation, it's important to approach it with a sense of responsibility and integrity, understanding that it is a tool of self improvement and positive change. It's about aligning your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with the reality you wish to create in a purposeful and international way. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel